Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line 1.5 litre TSI 150 PS Evo DSG. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, a dynamic road sign display, automatic LED headlights, and an electronic parking brake with auto hold. It also comes with 20-inch Misano alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with front and rear parking sensors. The interior includes heated front seats, wireless app connect, and 3-zone climate control. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbury.